Jerry and I would love to have a word with y'all about the birds and bees of bluegrass. I think it's fair to say that while Jerry's and my parents have always provided us with a wonderful example of love, bluegrass music has not.
It won't. Never will.
Yeah, I think that's safe to say. Songs like More Pretty Girls Than One, for instance, are pretty much par for the chorus.
Yeah.
Oh, Mama talked to me last night. She gave me some good advice. She said, son, you better leave this old rambling all around and marry you a sweet, loving wife. I said, Mama, there's more pretty girls than one. There's more pretty girls than one in the old town that I ramble all around. With these more pretty girls than one. See, philandering, Mama weighing in to no avail. Typical. This is typical.
Typical bluegrass mother.
Yeah. Ineffective. Yeah. You may hear a title to a song like Your Love Is Like a Flower and think, well, come on. I mean, that sounds nice. But check it out.
What?
Oh, they tell me your love's like a flower. In the springtime it blossoms so fair. But in the fall then it withers away, dear.
There it goes.
And they tell me that's the way of your love. That's how they get you.
Withers away.
Withers, everything was going fine, and then...
It's not going to work.
No. Yeah.
Never work. Bluegrass way.
That's the bluegrass way.
Bluegrass way.
Here's another example, classic example of the old bluegrass bait and switch. I asked my love to take a walk, just to walk a little ways. And as we walk, oh, may we talk all about our wedding day.
Pretty nice so far.
That's nice, right? It gets nicer still. Only say that you'll be mine. In our home we'll happy be, down beside where the waters flow, on the banks of the Ohio. And you might even have a dobro solo. Turns out you do. So everything's been just great up to this
Beautiful
point.
till now, I
It's really
think.
nice.
Yeah.
It was especially nice then,
I really
right?
like the dobro part.
Yeah, that was good. But then, all of a sudden, folks, I took her by her lily white hand, dragged her down.
Dragged her. Oh, God.
That bank of sand.
Don't do it, Chris.
There I throwed her in to drown.
See?
And I watched her as she floated down. Y'all. He just killed her. Killed her. Folks, drowned her in the Ohio, no less.
The bluegrass way.
The bluegrass. This kind of behavior.
It's the Ohio River.
Yeah, exactly, and it's not even uncommon, this kind of behavior. In fact, the young lovers of bluegrass songs seem to spend most of their courtships throwing each other into rivers. Have I mentioned that Jerry and I play a lot of music without singing? Sometimes it's best to just leave the singing thing right out. It's just so complicated in bluegrass music. So we'll do an instrumental for you now so we can all have bluegrass music and a happy Valentine's Day. Mr. Jerry Douglas, ladies and gentlemen.